I got a field full of crimson clover. I guess we're going to do a Mythbuster video because they'll tell you that honeybees do not work crimson clover. There's another one right over there. Another one right there. Now I'm not going to go out into it. There's another one right there. I'm not going to go out into it because number one, I'll be trampling it down. Number two, ticks are already bad this year. This is what, April the 14th. There's another lady right there. It's maybe 45, 50 degrees. A couple more right here. Right there. This one right there. A lot of myths in beekeeping. They tell you that bees don't work things. They tell you that the honeybee's proboscis is too short to work crimson clover. Well, as we're seeing here in this video, they do work crimson clover. And Lord, have I got it. It's all down in my field. There's a couple more bees. There's two right there. There's one flying over there. But yeah, this is, I don't know, about 6-7 acres of crimson. Sad thing is it's slowly dying out. It used to be all the way to the end of that other person's field down there by the power line. There's still some down there, but these whole fields used to be nothing but crimson clover. I need to put honey supers on, but like I said, it's 45 to 50, somewhere along in there, and I'm not about to go opening a bunch of hives and losing all that heat. But yeah, you can see the bare spots down there in my field. This used to be covered in crimson clover. Anyway, that's our little video for the day. Bees are quite active even up here in the shade. These bees are quite active. That would probably be the Caucasian influence in some of them, because Caucasians work at a colder temperature. Just about all the hives are active. You guys have a great day. I gotta go string some frames, so I'll be ready for splits. Hit that like and subscribe and share the videos.